Hi everyone, my name is Sherry. My 3 kids love applesauce, but instead of just plain applesauce, sometimes I like to mix it up. So today I have 3 recipes using applesauce for you. The first recipe I want to share is a applesauce muffin. For this, the ingredients you'll need are applesauce, banana, egg, flour, and cinnamon. First, you'll want to beat the egg. Ideally, you separate the egg white and the egg yolk and just beat the egg white and add the egg yolk with the rest of the wet ingredients. Today, I didn't do that. I just beat the whole egg, which was fine. So beat the egg until it's nice and fluffy and mash the banana with the applesauce and the egg yolk. Then you want to slowly add the beaten egg into the rest of the wet ingredients and slowly fold it in. Now mix up the dry ingredients. And add the dry ingredients slowly to the wet mixture. Add it slowly to see what the consistency you like. Add less flour if you want a more moist muffin. If you want a stiffer muffin, add more flour. Once you're done with the batter, just scoop it into the muffin tin.
Make sure you add water into all the empty cups.
Bake on 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or the toothpick comes out clean. The applesauce and the banana both add sweetness to this muffin, so even though there is no added sugar, it still comes out tasting great. It's also really moist and soft, so it's great for those baby trying finger foods for the first time. The second recipe is a simple apple oatmeal. For this, the ingredients you'll need are applesauce, oatmeal, water, and cinnamon. This is really simple. Just add the applesauce, the oatmeal, and depending on the consistency you like, add more or less water. Add a little bit of cinnamon, mix it up, and I like to steam it up in my steamer because this was for my baby, but you can also microwave it or cook it on the stove top. The applesauce provides sweetness, so even though there's no added sugar, it still tastes really good. Now before I go on to the last recipe today, comment down below what you like to feed your baby so I can have some ideas as well. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, and let's move on to the last recipe. For this, the ingredients you'll need are applesauce, avocado, any type of milk or water, and optionally honey or any sweetener you like. This is really simple. Add the avocado, add the applesauce, add any liquid of your choice. Today I'm making it for myself, so I added milk and add the sweetener optionally. Blend it up and it's done. Again, the applesauce adds sweetness and the avocado adds a lot of creaminess into the smoothie, so it tastes really good. My kids don't really drink anything other than milk and water, so if I were to make this for my baby, I would make it more into a puree instead of a smoothie, and for that, just add less liquid, and definitely no honey for babies under 1 year old. I hope you enjoy these recipes, and I'll see you next time. See ya!